Hey, Amy, Brandon here with that short video. It's going to go over three things that are going to help you guys out, bring in some more business. The three things I go over are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations, and the last thing is going to be backlinks with referring domains. I go over these three things because I feel that there's uh, easy enough for people to do right from their couch or at the office, and there are also three things Google really looks at as far as how they place people in the searches. So the first thing they like to see is at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. But more importantly, inside this content, they're looking for good keywords, and I like to call it buyer intent keywords. The best way I can explain this is put yourself into your potential customer's shoes. What are they typing into that Google search bar that's ultimately going to get them to land on your website? So we want to capture those buyer intent keywords. And then with those keywords, I always tell people associate a service area you're looking to work in. So if you're going to be doing water piping repair Rochester, that's how it should stay in there. Sewer repair Rochester, Rochester sewer repair. As simple as piping or plumbing company Rochester, Rochester plumbing contractor. Those types of keywords. Add a service area with that as well. Pictures. It's a good place to save a picture as a keyword. If I look at your picture here, you have it saved as a bunch of letters and numbers. So anytime you have a picture on your website, save it with a keyword phrase. Rochester plumbing, plumbing contractor, Rochester, whatever the case may be. Every picture is an opportunity to get another keyword phrase saved in there. So hopefully that makes sense. Second thing we look at is I just did a search of plumbing Rochester, New York, and there's three ways you can get on the first page of Google. The first way is to pay for it. You can be up here in the ads. The second way is to be in what we call the map pack. The way you get into this map pack is by having the most citations, or at least be in the top 3 people. The first thing you need to do is have a Google business profile. So if you don't already have a Google business profile, I highly suggest getting one. They're free to make. It just verifies with Google that you are a legitimate business. Once you get that verification, you would have given Google your business name, address, and phone number. You need to now go out in every directory possible, shout from the rooftops, let everybody know that you have a business, whether it be Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, any social media platform, the BBB, any place you can duplicate your business name, address, and phone number, you're going to get a citation. And once again, whoever has the most makes it into this map pack. Okay. And then the third way to get on this map pack is to be ranked organically with your website. And this is going to be a culmination of citations, content and keywords, picture tagging, meta tagging, backlinks, and referring domains. And the way I look at a person's website is I use a tool called Ahrefs. There is a monthly fee to use this tool. However, it's something I need to use obviously every day. So it breaks it down for me, and it shows me the power and the trust ratings you have with Google. It shows me how many backlinks you have and what referring domains they're coming from. It shows me how many keywords you're getting picked up for, and it shows me how many people are visiting your website monthly. So backlinks, just to explain a backlink is anything out there on the web that if somebody clicks on that link, it brings them back to your website. So we want a bunch of these, but we want to make sure that they're good, powerful backlinks coming from and placed on good referring domains. What I mean by that is we want to make sure that where these backlinks are located, they're relevant to our industry and relevant to our customer base. So you can have them on other, plumbing websites. You can have them on reviews or blogs that have to do with that. You can have them on social media platforms. Just make sure they're good, good areas for our customers, for our business, because Google does look at where these are placed, and if they're not placed in the correct areas, and you're just stuffing them in there for numbers, they actually flag you and hurt you as far as points are concerned. So if I go back to that search that I did of plumbing Rochester, New York, I just grabbed this AP Plumbing. They were ranked pretty high, and they're also in the map pack, just to show you what some of these companies are doing. They got over 3,000 backlinks. Over 300 keywords are being picked up for, and ultimately at the end of the day, they're bringing 1,000 people a month to their website. Just by taking advantage of these things. So I think you would probably agree that just by making some changes, more content, more keywords, going out there, creating a GBP if you haven't already, getting those citations, shouting from the rooftops, letting everybody know you have a business, and then doing some backlinking on different platforms is going to do you a lot of favors. So ultimately, all I look for in return is a line of feedback. Let me know if this was informational and beneficial to you, and if it wasn't, please let me know what I could do better. And then ultimately, this is what I do for a living. So if you find yourself wanting to take your business and take this SEO stuff to the next level, I'll entertain those conversations as well and help out as much as I can. So, but in the meantime, take care.